Hello everyone. Thanks for watching the previous episodes. I am Aditya, the quiz master for today, and I welcome you all to the first grand tournament of Calm Your Wits. We are here with the first quarter final with four participants who you might have seen before as well. We have Aditya, we have Anand, we have Neha, and we have Swati. Joining us from different places. Apparently, Neha is joining us from the Ravenclaw common room. So I'll just give 2 points for that. And today, not just for glory, they're also playing for a relatively more materialistic prize. So that will be disclosed later. But as I said, Aditya, Anand, Neha, and Swati is the sequence for today. And not just the winner of the tournament, but also the funniest participant, the person who scores the most in the fun points will be getting a small prize or a token of appreciation. Neha has already opened her account there. I hope
Nice,
everyone.
they have taken it up a notch. Nice.
So these are the rules for the quiz. My decision is final, unless someone brings out facts which are completely debunking my thought. Second is that nobody is allowed to use their phones and any other electronics. 10 marks for every right answer, 5 marks after I give a hint when one cycle is complete. The questions will be passed on in a cyclic manner. So we'll be going Aditya, Anand, Neha, and Swati. And the order will be reversed after the first half, which is after 10 questions. Your humor-based answers are encouraged, and so are your wild guesses because they might just turn out to be the right answer. Camera should be on. These are the things that we keep on reiterating. So today's first question, we'll start off today's first quarterfinal with Aditya. Are you ready?
No, never am, but okay, let's do this.
As ready as one can be. Now, Blank is a fictional gentleman thief and master of disguise created in 1905 by French writer Maurice Leblanc. The character was first introduced in a series of short stories serialized in the magazine. I forgot how it's pronounced, just read it. The first story, The Arrest of Blank, was published on 15 July 1905. Currently, a Netflix show has been created with Blank as the inspiration. Fill in the blank. The full name, preferably.
Is it something to do with the Pink Panther or in some way?
Is Pink Panther your answer?
That was the timeline, but why not? Yeah, okay, Pink Panther.
Not Pink Panther, going to Anand.
I don't remember this very well, but I'm thinking it's Guy something. I hope I get some points for that if that's right.
Guy,
Uh,
could you give me a last name?
Yeah, that's what I know the first name is Guy, but fuck, I don't know why I'm thinking Guy Ritchie for some reason. I'll just go with Guy something. I have the first name, it's Guy, but that's about it.
Okay. I'll get back to you if nobody else comes in. Neha?
I have no idea. Pass.
Swati?
Is it Lupin, like Lupin, Lupin, Guy Lupin?
So I'll give you the points. It's Arsène Lupin.
Ah.
Arsène Lupin is the gentleman.
I took Anand's and I took Remus Lupin and I was like, here, take.
Mentioning Remus Lupin, 1 point to Swati.
Thank you.
Bringing the question one full circle back to Anand. Sorry, Aditya. Identify the following quote. This quote has been spoken by someone. We shall not flag or fail. We shall go on to the end. We shall fight in France. We shall fight on the seas and oceans. We shall fight with growing confidence and growing strength in the air. We shall defend our island, whatever the cost may be. We shall fight on the beaches, we shall fight on the landing grounds, we shall fight in the fields and in the streets. We shall fight in the hills, we shall never surrender.
So
Just the
I
person who
identify
has
who
spoken.
said the quote.
Yeah.
Winston Churchill.
Brilliant answer. Winston Churchill is the person. So Aditya gets 10 points to this question, bringing the next direct to Anand. Now, X has gone to extraordinary lengths to maintain the anonymity of its inspectors. Many of the company's top executives have never met an inspector. Inspectors themselves are advised not to disclose their line of work even to their parents, who might be tempted to boast about it. And in all the years that it has been putting out the guide, there's a particular guide X, X has refused to allow its inspectors to speak to journalists. The inspectors write reports that are distilled in annual stars meetings at the guide's various national offices into the ranking of 3 stars, 2 stars, or 1 stars, or no stars. Establishments that X deems unworthy of a visit are not included in the guide. What is this guide and the ranks that we are talking about that X, which is a tire manufacturer, decides?
So you need the X, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
X is the
I'm
name of the
thinking-
guide and the tire manufacturer.
I'm thinking this is the Panji Police of Rohit Shetty fame. But if I have to go with an answer, I will say Michelin.
Michelin is the right answer. Michelin Stars and Guide is a tire manufacturing company that brings out the best chefs in restaurants. So Anand gets 10 points to this direct, off to a very great start, bringing the next direct to Neha. Now, what is the unique first that Noor Jahan got her hands on in Bollywood or the Hindi film industries? So there have been several things that Noor Jahan has accomplished, but there was something that is considered to be a first in its kind.
She's Pakistani, right? Am I allowed to ask that?
Yeah, she's Pakistani.
She's the first Pakistani female director.
Okay, not the first Pakistani female director. Going to Swati.
No idea at all. But got her hands on in Bollywood. Camera. I mean, first female behind the camera or something like that. I mean, I have no idea.
Not
Just
the first
randomly.
behind the camera.
Okay.
Going to Aditya.
First item number.
No, not the first item number, but I'll give you 1 point for that.
I love this as a Aditya just went on a smile. The moment he said item number, I was like, yeah.
I was
So
being serious. I was going to try to joke.
going to Anand, who's been holding a
thinking the
very
hands-on-
evil smirk ever since the question got in. Yeah.
I'm thinking the hands-on thing is a clue. You have not just written hands-on. I'm not. He's gotten hands on something in Bollywood.
या वही उसी हैंड्स ऑन को देख के मैं सोचा दैट कैमरा वैमरा मिल गया था क्या
हो सकता था लेकिन बट नेहा सेड डायरेक्टर तो आई सेड यार वो कितना ही फर्क होगा डायरेक्टर डीओपी अब गिव मी अ सेकंड प्लीज Was she the first female screenwriter in Bollywood?
Not the first female screenwriter. We'll go another round. When I say hands-on is a clue in itself, the first thing is again a part. The important part here is not about what their work, but how it was recognized. So we'll go another round with Neha.
I have no idea. I can't think of anything possible.
Okay,
I
Swati.
was thinking maybe playback singing, but no, that's not hands. So yeah, sorry.
Swati.
कॉस्ट्यूम आई मीन मैं कुछ भी अब बोलेगी कॉस्ट्यूम कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइन
Not costume design. Aditya.
First person to win an award for film, a Pakistani person, perhaps.
No. Going to Anand.
Has to be it has to be an award, recognition, got her hands on something. I'm confused between two, but I'm feeling like one is too old for both, I feel. But was she the first Filmfare recipient? First Filmfare award?
Okay, I'll give it to you. She was the first Pakistani or a first foreigner to bag a Filmfare. So Anand gets 5 points for this. And since it was Anand's answer, we'll go again to Neha. Now, blank is another English word with origins in Rome. It comes from one of Rome's famous 7 hills, the Palatine, upon which the emperor resided in what grew into a sprawling and opulent home. In Latin, the Palatine hill was called the Palatium or Palatium, and the word Palatine came to refer to the emperor's residence rather than the actual hill. So, what was blank? What is that English word that has been derived?
Is it palatial?
Okay, I'll give it to you. It is palace. So, yeah,
Palace. Okay.
word that was derived
Thank
from
God.
the word palatial.
guys you have no idea अभी मेरा डेंटिस्ट वाला दिमाग कहाँ गया था I would have said palette
I'll give Swati one more. Okay,
thank you so much
going to Swati for her direct.
thank you
Now, what place connects the following list, which is non-exhaustive? There are more people in this list: Picard, Henriot, Schrödinger, Werschaffelt, Pauli, Heisenberg, Fowler, Brillouin, de Broglie, Bohr, Planck, Curie, Einstein. So there's a particular place that connects this particular list. So you can tell me the place, you can tell me the city, you can tell me the country, and I'll give you marks if any one of them is correct.
I want to crack a Schrodinger's joke but then it won't be a joke anymore Mm. And all of these are related to physics ये सारे के सारे वही हैं Bohr, Planck, Curie, Einstein there's a place that connects all of them
Aditya ki smile na yaar. I feel like he knows this.
He
Of
knows.
course.
He's anticipating कि ये pass हो.
Exactly. Dude, the
I have
grin
no
on his
idea.
face.
देख आदित्य हो सकता है बहुत हो सकता है मैं इस क्विज में आने के टाइम ही बोली मैं सबको जिताने आई है तो रिलैक्स मिल जाएगा तेरे को बस ऐसे मेरे को थोड़ा सा did all of them win the Nobel Prize so could it be like Oslo और एक मिनट नोबेल प्राइज इन फिजिक्स किधर दिया जाता है
दिया जाता है.
There are different. हाँ, but नहीं. There are different places for different Nobel Prize. One is given in Oslo, one is given in Stockholm. But now I'm confused कि कौन सा किधर दिया जाता है.
I said कि you can
Hmm.
even take a guess on the country and I will.
Um, Norway.
Not Norway. Going to Aditya.
I actually don't know, but maybe CERN, Switzerland.
Not CERN, but a good guess. Going to Anand.
मैं CERN सोच रही थी, but then ये सारा list जो है ना, ये CERN के काफी पहले जा रहा था.
Ah, that's a good point.
Anand.
Wait, was this country also wrong?
Yeah.
I was thinking Bern.
Just a minute, guys.
See, I've seen that picture where every old smart white man is just sitting in a row, thinking of something. I've seen that picture of them together, but I don't know where it was. I'm the last on the rotation, right? We get a hint after this.
Yeah. No. It was Swati's direct, so Neha will be getting a shot at.
Oh, yeah, sorry. यार कितने शहर है इतने important यूरोप में? Is this Paris, France?
Not Paris. Going to Neha.
This is physics, Swati said. I mean, it is physics. So, Stockholm, Sweden?
Okay, not Stockholm. We'll go another round with a hint, starting with Swati. So the hint here is that what Anand just said, that there were these people, white men filled in a room, but all of these people, some of these people were not in that room. So I'm not talking about that edition. I'm talking about another edition in Europe. And I would say the closest was Aditya with the country. Not Switzerland, but something nearby. So we'll go another round with Swati.
Not Switzerland. Closer. You know, like, listen, I missed out a bit when Anand was speaking because some emergency came at home. So can I just get a gist of whatever Anand said?
Anand said France, right?
Yeah, I said she was talking about the picture. I said I've seen a picture with a lot of smart white men just sitting in coats. Okay. So people got allergic. So I thought this was that, but that is in Bern, Switzerland. जो उसने बोला तो नहीं होगा. So then I said Paris, France, जो भी नहीं. That's all.
The list is non-exhaustive.
Yeah.
But I just want to know, is Newton a part of this list by any chance?
No.
Not at all.
No,
Like,
the timeline does not match up.
No, of course. Like,
A zombie movie then. If Newton is a part of this.
Or maybe Newton's a vampire, like Abraham Lincoln.
He was a vampire hunter, Aditya.
Hunter, sorry.
England?
Not England. Going to Aditya.
Since you said closest Switzerland, Austria.
Okay, not Austria. Anand.
Oh.
अब अपन जियो गैसर खेलेगा. अब जियो गैसर खेलेगा. चल शुरू हो जाओ.
Is this Berlin, Germany?
Not Berlin, Germany. Last, Neha.
अच्छे से.
We've done almost all the eliminations.
Is it the it's a conference, Solvay conference, Brussels?
Yeah, but you have to tell me the place.
Brussels.
Brilliant answer. It is Leopold Park in Brussels, Belgium. यहाँ cracks
Very
this.
nice.
So the room was the first conference. This is the fifth conference.
Yeah,
So the members have
that's.
changed a
I
little
have
bit.
to thank Anand for that. The photo is what got me to that.
Yeah.
So since
मैं
Neha got this, yeah, go on.
मैं अलग ही डायरेक्शन में सोच रही थी. मैं सोच रही हूँ वेस्टमिनिस्टर एबी, और मैं श्रोडिंगर को भी वेस्टमिनिस्टर एबी में लाके परी कर दिए. तो प्लीज.
So the next direct is again to Swati.
Oh.
I first became conscious of the creative role of politics in shaping human affairs, and I owe that mostly to my teachers, Joan Robinson and Nicholas Kaldor. Joan Robinson was a brilliant teacher, but she also sought to awaken the inner conscience of her students in a manner that very few others were able to achieve. She questioned me a great deal and made me think the unthinkable. Which Indian statesman and Cambridge alumnus has said this about his introduction to policy making in a 2005 interview?
Cambridge alumnus. I'm very fuddu at this point. Very fuddu. अब मैं बैठ के एक पॉलिटिशियन को ऐसे कैम्ब्रिज से रिलेट करने का कोशिश कर रही हूँ.
Not many have gone there.
Yeah, that's right. That's what I'm thinking. That not many have gone there. As a joke answer, nothing matches, but still I want to say Veer Das. And like, could it be the Farrago of Shashi Tharoor?
No, not Shashi Tharoor, but a good track. Good track in a certain way. Going to Aditya.
Okay, so my answer is Rahul Gandhi won't work. Manmohan Singh.
Brilliant answer. It is Dr. Manmohan Singh. So the first half, the huge paragraph was basically a decoy. Most of the things were lined up in the second half. Aditya gets it with 10 points. We go to Anand with the next direct. Now, what franchise is the list from? So there is a English title, then the year of publication, and these are all considered to be famous stories.
And is this list exhaustive?
No.
Are all these Sidney Sheldon stories?
Not Sidney Sheldon. Going to Neha.
I don't know. Pass.
Going to Swati.
मेरे को सिर्फ इसमें टैरेंटुला दिखा और मेरे को एरेगॉग याद आया, और कुछ नहीं याद. मैं ऐसे मैं ऐसे बैठ के एक को भी हैरी पॉटर से रिलेट कर सकती है, बट कत्ते हैरी पॉटर से रिलेटेड नहीं है. Is it something closer home? Because you said English title. ठीक है.
I cannot confirm or deny anything. So
Yeah, of course, because it has already been passed. ऐसा ऊट पटांग टाइटल ना तभी आ जाता है ऐसा ऐसा ऊट पटांग टाइटल तभी आ जाता है when you legit translate it. Wait.
पठान कौन सा टाइटल है यहाँ पे?
हाँ
पठान कौन
नहीं
सा
मतलब ऊट पटांग in the sense like ऐसा the gramophone killer.
The
ठीक है, the
Tarantula's
gramophone-
juice.
Tarantula's juice, the gramophone pin killer, Tarantula's juice. I mean ऐसे ऐसे टाइटल्स ना because जब आप ऐसे लैंग्वेज को ट्रांसलेट करते हो, लिटरल ट्रांसलेशन कर देते हो, तो ऐसा 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 ही टाइटल्स निकलता है फिर.
लिटिल कर दिया बिल्कुल. That makes sense.
I'm just gonna go with something really back home. And I'm trying to quote. Just give me like 20 seconds more, Aditya, please. Just 20 seconds more. Won't take much of your time. I'm just trying to translate into the languages that I know.
How many languages do you know?
4 or 5. Very random. I'm just taking the first thing that comes to my mind when I think about home, and that's Bengal. And I'll say Byomkesh Bakshi.
brilliant answer. It is Byomkesh Bakshi.
Oh, wow.
So
Great.
the
I
first
got it
episode,
after.
which was Truth Seeker, is
Satyan
also Satyanveshi is another name for Byomkesh Bakshi. Swati gets 10 points with this brilliant crack. The next question goes to Aditya. In 1873, Beerbroverij Matshapij was established, and the first X brand beer was brewed. In 1875, X won the Médaille d'Or at the International Maritime Exposition in Paris, then began to be shipped there regularly, after which X sales topped 64,000 hectoliters, 1.7 million US gallons, making them the biggest beer exporter to France. One more thing, you need to identify X. I'll just say one more thing, that it is considered to be one of the top beer exporters globally as well.
Budweiser?
Not Budweiser, going to Anand.
Given the entire name has to mean something. Is this Heineken?
Brilliant answer. It is Heineken. So the entire name was just to give you a little origin of the place.
अगर आनंद हाइनेकन नहीं बोलता तो अभी हम लोग सब एक एक करके बियर ब्रांड गेस करते जैसे कार्लसबर्ग
That was
ट्यूबॉक्स
the
सब ऐसे आता
whole thing, right? The beer brand तो वैसे ही बोल दिया. So Anand's, sorry, Aditya's power cut is now resolved. And with this, the next question goes to Neha. On that note, now Taran Killam, Alexis Denisov, and David Burtka were recurring characters in which famous American sitcom?
How I Met Your Mother.
If only there would have been a pass on this. How I Met Your Mother was the right answer.
Neha,
So
I have
they're
this
all
emoji
partners of the main cast. With this, we come to the first half.
Can I just add something else to that?
Sure.
यार वो बहुत ज्यादा ना ऐसा शिट्स क्रीक का भी याद दिला दिया. Alexis and David both were there.
Yeah.
Please go
Noted.
ahead. Thank you so much.
Now the cycle will be reversed. We'll start off with Swati, Neha, Anand, and Aditya. Buterin, a programmer and co-founder of Bitcoin Magazine in late 2013 with a goal of building decentralized applications. Was likhna bhul gaya main. Buterin argued that Bitcoin and blockchain technology could benefit from other applications besides money, and needed a scripting language for application development that could lead to attaching real-world assets such as stocks and property to the blockchain. This idea was drawn on paper and later materialized to what we today call blank. So you need to tell me what is the word that I'm looking for. What is that blank?
The idea was drawn on paper. Could lead to attaching real world assets. Needed a scripting language for application. मेरे दिमाग में अभी तन्मय का वीडियो आ रहा है. तन्मय का वीडियो आ रहा है. तन्मय explaining what is crypto.
Tन्मय yelling at you.
हाँ, तन्मय legit yelling. हाँ, नहीं तन्मय legit telling that ये मैंने राहुल को इतना पैसा दिया. हाँ. नहीं, मैंने राहुल को इतना पैसा दिया, उसको मेरे को वेरीफाई करना है, ये वो all that thing is coming, but
अभी plugin आएगा Zerodha का.
And also small cap.
Coin DCX.
Coin DCX, small cap. Small cap. Small cap नहीं, क्या नाम था यार, मैं भूल ही गई. वो baskets में stocks वगैरह. I forgot that. And ticker tape. But is this blockchain verification?
Not blockchain verification. Going to Neha.
So I'm thinking this idea drawn on paper is a clue. So NFT, non-fungible token?
Not NFT, but I see how your brain is working now in that direction. Going to Anand.
I was sure with the NFT thing. I don't know if I can ask this, but is this the name of a coding programming language as specified over here, or is this a concept?
It's a no, it's not a concept. Neither is it a full-fledged coding language.
I see.
Okay, Aditya का power cut फिर से हो गया. He's back to the darkness.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Yeah, I was just going to say that. Drinks, buy me a Coke.
Yeah,
I have a hint now. I have a hint now, but I'm just waiting.
Are these vessels?
Not vessels. Going to Aditya.
I have, I don't know, contracts of some sort. Something to do with contracts.
Could you be a little more specific?
Actually, no, I can't because I have no idea. But Blockchain contracts? Is that specific enough? Does it work?
No, not blockchain contracts. So we'll go another round with Swati. Now the hint is Buterin, whose full name is Vitalik Buterin, is a programmer and a co-founder of Bitcoin Magazine, but is also a founder of another very important asset in the blockchain world.
No, I was going to say mining now. This is what I was going to say, that did he just draw ऐसे mining करता हुआ कुछ and then decided that ऐसे code solve करना होगा and फिर तुमको कुछ Bitcoin मिलेगा वगैरह.
1 point for creative imagination.
मैं पूरा imagine कर लिया था that ऐसे वो एक पहाड़ को mine करता होगा. That was where my imagination went. But just repeat what you said.
I just said Vitalik Buterin was not only the co-founder of Bitcoin Magazine or a programmer, but he's also the founder of something which is very popular and a very important asset in the world of blockchain.
Asset in the world of blockchain. Ethereum.
Brilliant answer.
Ethereum.
It is Ethereum. So Vitalik Buterin.
भाई मेरे पैसे डूब रहे हैं Ethereum में.
So Ethereum is the right answer. Also, thank you for telling us that you have a lot of money.
अरे नहीं है यार, वो डूब चुके हैं. डिप मेरे कमर टूट गई है डिप बाई करके.
सबकी. Next question is a direct for Neha. Now a science-based question. Natrium is a natural mineral salt mainly consisting of hydrated X-carbonate. Natrium historically had several important industrial and household uses, later eclipsed by other similar compounds. It is said that it comprises 2.27% of the Earth's crust, while its oceanic abundance is about 1.08 into 10 to the power 4 milligrams per liter, and has significance in both animal and plant biology. It is, however, now called X. So I want you to tell me what is the new name of X.
I mean, going by the chemical symbol, I assume it's sodium.
It is sodium. Brilliant answer.
मैं सोच रही हूँ ये तो नया को आ रहा है.
With that,
Natrium, Kalium.
we go to Anand with the next direct. The chain currently has 135 stores across India, with 8 stores under direct control and the rest as franchised location. The stores are present in key cities of Maharashtra, West Bengal, Karnataka, Goa, Telangana, Kerala, Gujarat, MP, CG, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Delhi NCR region. In the fiscal year 2014-15, the chain's annual retail turnover crossed 115 crores. The funny thing about this brand of dairy products is that the name of the company is a little different than what shows on the logo. So what brand are we talking about?
I'll go with Mother Dairy.
Okay,
Just
not
Mother
Mother,
Dairy.
Mother Dairy, not Mother Dairy. Going to Aditya.
Nandini.
Not Nandini. Going to Swati.
करके सारे dairy products का नाम. Stores. Like the brand has stores.
Stores, outlets, whatever you want to call it.
And it's a brand of dairy products. West Bengal, Karnataka, Goa, Telangana, Kerala. Connection is West Bengal and Karnataka. Dairy. Mother Dairy, you said nahi. Dairy NCL. Funny thing about the brand of dairy products is that the name of the company is a little different than the logo. The logo is Since I have no idea, but मेरे को कुछ बोलना है तो मैं बोलेगी Amul.
Not Amul, going to Neha.
भी बचा कौन सा ब्रांड है यार, मैं ऐसे एलिमिनेशन में भी क्या ही बोलूं मैं.
है ब्रांड्स बचे हैं, बट देन मेरे को भरोसा नहीं उन ब्रांड्स पे इसलिए.
Did Aditya have his turn?
Yeah, he
said Nandini.
Nandini.
Oh yeah.
Said Nandini.
I'm going to go with the Kerala brand and say Milma.
मैं बैठ के वेस्ट बंगाल और कर्नाटक का कनेक्ट कर रही थी. That मेरे को दोनों जगह पे क्या मिलता है.
With this, we'll go another round with a hint. Now, when I say dairy products, this is a Maharashtra. The first store opened up in Maharashtra way back decades ago, and it only got popularized in the rest of the country after the 2000s. And specifically, when I say dairy products, it is one particular dairy product and not every dairy product. So going again with Anand.
Dairy product. Can you clarify something? This is a new round. Is this a Hindi word, or is it an English word?
English word.
English word, both of them.
Both.
Is this
both?
Is this? I mean, the name.
The name is English.
Name is English. Is this Country Delight?
Not Country Delight. Going to Aditya.
I was gonna guess Lassi Shop, but now that I know it's both English, still got nothing. Lassi Shop.
Okay. You're back to the light, by the way.
Going to Swati.
You say one particular dairy. They opened stores. यार मैंने ऐसे one particular dairy product is famous. That's what you mean, right?
Yeah. No. There is only one particular dairy product that they sell.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait,
No.
I want to say Britannia because Britannia cheese.
They sell other dairy products as well.
But then मेरे को सिर्फ Britannia cheese याद आ रहा है.
Not Britannia.
But ठीक है.
Neha.
Chittadi, I don't know if I'm obviously not pronouncing it right, but Chittadi because it's Maharashtra.
But it's sure not dairy. So Chittadi Bandhu is not the right. Chittadi Bandhu is a sweet shop /
they have dahi and all. Please come on, I have bought it several times.
Yeah, but it's not the right answer.
Aditya, is this Govardhan? Don't tell me it's Govardhan.
No, so since nobody got this answer, the right answer should be known to Neha and Anand because it's natural ice cream of Juhu scheme.
Oh God!
The dairy product. The dairy product.
Me.
So
अभी याद आ रहा है. मेरे को अभी याद आ रहा है.
The logo says natural. The logo says naturals while the name is natural. So that is the answer.
Oh, that's being pedantic now. Oh, God.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
never noticed
since no one got this, we go back again to Anand. Now, Smiling Buddha was the assigned code name of India's first successful blank test in 1974. This was at the same place where Operation Shakti also took place. Which place are we talking about?
Is this Pokhran?
Brilliant answer. It is Pokhran. Operation Shakti and Smiling Buddha were both nuclear operations. So Anand get 10 points on that, bringing to the next question for Aditya. Who said the following? Fame is a fickle friend, blank. Celebrity is as celebrity does.
Okay.
Remember that.
Gilroy Lockhart, Harry Potter.
Okay, brilliant answer. It is Gilderoy Lockhart. So, gaining pace, we go to Swati to slow down a bit.
Of course. Thank you so much for bringing that up. I appreciate.
Okay, this is a very nice question. I have framed it out of love. So, X's early short stories faced rejection from publishers for years. Her debut short story collection, Interpreter of Maladies, was finally released in 1999. So we've already eliminated one person that you were thinking about. The stories address sensitive dilemmas in the lives of Indians or Indian immigrants with themes such as marital difficulties, the bereavement of a stillborn child, and the disconnection between first and second generation US immigrants. Identify X.
Yeah, knows this. Yeah, knows this.
I'm saying Swati also knows this and वो छोड़ेगी भी नहीं. So there's no point.
मैं बस last line जो है ना वो disconnection between first and second generation United States immigrants उस basis पे namesake के basis पे मैं झुम्पा लाहिरी बोलेगी.
What did I tell you?
Thank you.
झुम्पा लाहिरी.
मैं बाकी कुछ नहीं पढ़ी है, मैं वो last line पढ़ के इरफान को सोच के अभी झुम्पा लाहिरी.
Brilliant answer. Going to Neha. In May 1957, 7 prominent Filipinos were named to the founding board of trustees of the Blank Award Foundation, the non-profit corporation tasked with implementing the awards program. Later on, the board of trustees diversified and included prominent Asians from all over the Asian continent and outlying islands. The Blank recognizes and honors individuals and organizations in Asia, regardless of race, creed, sex, or nationality, who have achieved distinction in their respective fields and have helped others generously without anticipating public recognition. What is that blank?
Is this the Magsaysay award?
I'll give it to you. It is Raymond Magsaysay.
मेरे दिमाग में यही था, सिर्फ ये था.
Brilliant crack. With this, we go to Anand with the next direct. Now, this is this is a list of awards given to a particular person, and you have to identify the recipient. So, Pride of Performance Award by the President of Pakistan, Latif Award twice, Sachal Sarmast Honor, Sitara Imtiaz, Lifetime Achievement, BBC Asia Network Lifetime Achievement, PISA Lifetime Achievement Award, Nishane Imtiaz by President Arif Alvi in 23rd March 2021.
This person is still alive.
Yeah, because she was awarded this award very recently.
I'll go with the most obvious man. Is this Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan?
Not Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. Going to Aditya.
So you said she, that.
He said she. He said she.
Yeah, he said she. When you asked the question, he said she.
Yeah. I don't know any Ghazal person who's a woman. Is Rumi a woman guy? Rumi?
No,
Is
not
that even
Rumi.
a person?
Oh my God, don't
No, no.
Don't.
say that. Aditya, don't say Rumi. All of a sudden, Rumi.
Going to Swati.
So by the as you said, she is alive, and Ghazal, and then kafi Pakistani names. Farida Khanum.
Not Farida Khanum. Going to Neha.
Thank you for that, Swati. I think this is
Yeah.
what's her name? Yeah, Abida Parveen.
Oh,
Brilliant answer. It is Abida Parveen.
Thank you.
So annoyed with myself.
I want to jump. Pass me up.
Coming to the last two questions.
Thanks to Swati, you eliminated that for me.
The last two questions, we go to Anand. The title Gazzetta di Mantova, regularly published in Mantua or Mantova in Italy, holds a significant importance in the world of conventional media. What is it?
Is it the world's first daily newspaper?
Not the world's first daily newspaper. Going to Aditya.
It I don't know. It publishes some. I have no idea. I'm just gonna pass.
Going to Swati.
Gazzetta di Mantova, regularly published in Italy. Italy. World of conventional media. So we are thinking. Magazines. No. नहीं पता, कतई नहीं पता. पास, but मंटो एक इंसान है. बस.
So going to Neha.
I also have no clue. Is it the oldest newspaper?
Could you like to specify on it? You are on the right track.
Oh, fuck. Really?
Said first.
Is the oldest published newspaper or something that is still existing? Maybe, I don't know.
I'll give you part points, but I am in need of a better answer. So oldest being the clue, we'll go another round with 5 points in hand. The first 5 I'll give part to Neha. Now this, as I say, it's important in the world of conventional media, and it is something that is also associated with the fact that it is one of the oldest newspapers.
Is one of the oldest what?
Newspapers that is like there in Italy, in Mantova. So there's one specific fact about it that I'm looking for that I cannot disclose.
This is the world's oldest regional newspaper.
No, not world's oldest regional newspaper. Going to Aditya.
Oldest newspaper to feature regular comic strips?
Not newspaper with comic strips. Swati?
I was thinking of that. I was just thinking of that, like comic strips. Good. Oldest is to find. First name. A newspaper. Oldest newspaper, like
it's a piece
in
of paper
color?
news comes in.
Of course. नहीं, मैं Kindle पे पढ़ेगी बैठ के न्यूज़पेपर. मेरी
Swati,
मर्जी.
you asked for it. You walked right into it. I'm sorry.
I know.
Did you say it is a newspaper that is printed in color?
Yeah, I said that.
No, not the right answer. Going
Okay.
once again to Swati.
To me, you mean?
Sorry, sir,
To Neha. How are you confused? How?
क्या मतलब? God, what is this specific thing you're looking for? This is so annoying. Does it still have the same name, or I don't know, man. Yeah, I guess. Is it still
So
published?
I'll give you 5 points for this second half and 3 points from the previous half. It is the oldest living newspaper with the same title. The name never changed. So 3 plus 5, I'll be giving you 8.
10 ही दे दो यार. क्या
No.
करेगा?
It's not like you're
Nice.
not in the lead. Now we come to the
Neha.
What?
now we come to the last question, and there is a neck-to-neck competition because in the quarterfinal we are taking 2 people into the next round. So, next question for Anand. The Bajaj Pulsar is a motorcycle manufactured by Bajaj Auto in India. It was developed by the product engineering division of Bajaj Auto in association with Tokyo Research and Development, and later with motorcycle designer Glenn Kerr. The name was derived from which category of celestial bodies?
These are radio stars. These are pulsars that give off radio waves.
Yes, I need
Neutron
one more.
stars, if you're looking.
Brilliant answer. Neutron star is the right answer.
That's brilliant.
With this, we come to an end to today's quiz, and I was thinking that we might require a tiebreaker, but I think we don't. Just give me a second.
Yeah, I don't
Nice.
think we do either.
Nice.
So Aditya ka naam hai. The fact that his name is, I'm used to being the first on every panel, and it is so unnerving. I feel like fuck, मेरे को अभी आएगा question and नहीं आ रहा है, and everybody's answering. My notebook is filled today. You can't see it, but everybody was great today. There's little smoke coming out my
Before telling the results, it was a great quiz. It was brilliant in the way I created the questions and the way you answered it.
पहले
the Rachel's question was
like she'll start wildly and somehow arrive at the right answer. Brilliant.
Yeah,
that was amazing.
Swati, no?
That has a very different reason, which
That is why-
tell after the recording is done.
That is why I got annoyed with the Jhumpa Lahiri question. I'm like, ये क्या ये derive कर रही है, ये कहाँ से नहीं आएगा उसको?
मैं reason बताइए after recording बंद होगा.
We'll start with the scores. Number 4 is Aditya with 30 points. Number 3 is Swati with 35.
As always, nothing new.
If
I am
Anand did not
constantly
score,
third position.
if Anand would not have scored, then it would have been a tie with Swati for second position. But Anand scored the last one, so he gets 45. And the winner for today's quiz is Neha with 63 points. So Neha and Anand go for the semi-finals. It feels so good to say semi-final. So on the
khushi, by God.
frontier of fun, the highest scorer from today's quarterfinal is Swati with 7 points. And it was a very strong margin. So Neha and Anand, congratulations. We'll meet you next week with the semi-final. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you everyone for playing. This is me, Aditya, and keep quizzing.